Frag out.
I'm back.
So
My God, I just ran the entire outside.
60
Ran all the way
seconds
outside and
left.
came
The ring's
back.
very close.
I hear him behind us.
Backing out of my
Careful,
drone.
Canadian.
I'm good to
shut
go.
the door.
I'm recalling my drone. 45 seconds. Rings close. Careful. They could reach.
Okay, putting in jump pad.
Hitting the eject button. Charging shields. Come on, come on.
The ring moves in 10.
Sweet jump and pray.
Yeah.
Ring in motion. Charge the safety.
Oh frick! I'm about to land a. I am.
Getting shot at.
Nice. Cracked one. It's almost
Holy
dead.
shit.
One's planning.
Reload. Must go faster. Charging shields.
Charging my shields.
Oh frick! I gotta heal.
I'm recharging my Evo shield. Not the one on my back.
Drone has been destroyed.
They're right underneath us, bro. Oh my God!
You guys get this.
Reinforcing my Evo shield. Charging
Oh hello, my love. Oh,
Hello, I just came in to say hello.
Horizon's coming up.
ah! Horizon. Someone's on top as well.
Horizon's knocked. Healing.
Help!
Hold on. Shields are charging. 10 seconds to get back on the grid.
Someone's coming up.
Blind. Oh, he's so close. Mirage is so close to me. Shit.
Ah, good job.
Twas beauty that killed the beast. But mostly, you know, not violent.
No. Oh my God. Ah. God, I'm so glad I